This is going to be a demo of the multiple guests sharing an Ethernet port on an Atmel Cortex M7 development board. There are two identical guests running concurrently on the board. The software for the guest comes from Atmel's demo software package from this development board. And the guests use Adam Dunkel's UIP as the TCP/IP stack in conjunction with the stock Atmel software framework drivers for the Ethernet interface. I've replaced the Atmel Ethernet driver with a custom virtual Ethernet driver, which allows the Hermes hypervisor to act as a bridge and multiplex Ethernet frames to multiple guests. So let's get started here. First thing we'll do is we'll start running the software in the debugger, and you'll notice that the DHCP lease table on the router only has an address for my laptop, Neil's MacBook Pro there. And what's going to happen is when the software on the demo board boots up, it's going to request IP address from the router, and the router will assign it an IP address in just a second here. There we go. And what you'll notice is that it's a little bit hard to see on this video, but you'll see that the two guests actually have two different MAC addresses there. One ends in 5.4, the other one ends in 5.5. And those have been hard-coded in software. Now the next thing we're going to do here is we're going to pull up a terminal window, and we're going to try and ping these two guests using the IP addresses that have been assigned to them by the router. What you'll see is we're just pinging the guests. The round trip time is kind of atrociously long here, and there's some known issues that are causing that, but they are both responding to pings. And the next thing we're going to do after we finish the ping test is we're going to run this telnet client, which connects to the board via telnet. And that's a built-in feature of the demo provided by Atmel. And what you'll notice is that the message printed out by the guest identifies the guest with a little text string, G1 in one case and G2 in the other.